In recent days, we've covered several shootings where children got their hands on guns and hurt themselves or injured or even killed others. Well, these incidents have raised questions about parents or gun owner liability. So legally speaking, can parents or other adults who own a gun be held accountable in situations like this? Days ago in Miami, 3-year-old Darnell Mundy was looking for an iPad when he found his father's gun in a drawer and shot himself in the head. And a little over a week ago, two 14-year-old boys and a 16-year-old boy were playing with a gun in the garage of a home in Cooper City when it went off, killing 14-year-old Charlie Martin. I am an attorney licensed in New York, and legally speaking, a gun owner can face charges under Florida law in certain situations. Florida statutes say if a person stores or leaves a loaded firearm within the reach or easy access of a child under 16 years old, and that minor uses the firearm to injure or kill himself or another person, that adult gun owner could face felony charges with prison time up to 5 years. If a minor gets the firearm, shows it in a public place, or in a rude, careless, threatening manner, the adult gun owner could face misdemeanor charges, resulting in up to 60 days in jail and/or fines of up to $500. There are some exceptions to these laws. The gun owner may not be found liable if he or she keeps the firearm in a securely locked box in a location a reasonable person would believe is secure, or secures the firearm with a trigger lock. Another exception, if the minor gets the gun through unlawful entry on someone's property. Now, one recent case is a bit different. Last weekend, a 12-year-old Davie girl was rushed to the hospital with a gunshot wound to her arm. Her father said he was teaching her gun safety at the time. I spoke with former Assistant State Attorney David Weinstein, and he agrees this case doesn't fall squarely under those laws. But investigators will look into whether the father was acting negligently, recklessly, in handling the gun around his child, or whether this was just an unfortunate accident. And all of these child gun-related cases are investigated, and then they are referred to the state attorney, who decides whether to bring charges.